Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Are you ready for the easiest apple crumble pie ever? I know. You'll see. And then after I finish, you're going to say, Jana, you're right. And I'm going to say, I know. So let me show you how I put it together. This is literally a 5-minute recipe. We're going to cut some apples into either wedges or cubes, and to prevent them from getting brown, we're going to add in a bowl with water. And now in a bowl, we're going to add all-purpose flour, cornstarch, sugar, vegan butter, and because I don't want too much fat in this crumble, I'm going to substitute a little bit of the fat that I would normally add to the crumble. I'm going to add, guess what? The green banana biomass. That's right, exactly. So that's Poppy. She's very hot. Are you hot, baby? So if you don't know what I'm talking about, what is green banana biomass? I know, this is very new. But if you follow my channel, you know exactly what it is. If you don't, click over here, then I explain to you everything about it. But basically, it's a paste made out of boiled green bananas and water that it's very good for your body. I mean, everything. So again, click over here and then you know exactly what I'm talking about. We're going to use it so we don't use too much vegan butter, okay? And now with the tip of our fingers, we're going to mix everything until it becomes a crumble. Now on a separate bowl, we're going to add the apples, the sugar, and the cinnamon. Mix well. And now we're going to preheat the oven. Actually, we should have done that at the beginning because like I told you, it's a very fast recipe. 180 degrees Celsius, that would be 360 Fahrenheit. And we're going to, now you need to pay attention. This is very, very simple, but there are a few tricks that I want you to pay attention. I want you to add the crumble on the bottom of a baking sheet or a baking dish, whatever. Don't press it, okay? Because why? Now we're going to make a layer of the apples, cinnamon, and sugar. And what is going to happen with the apples once they bake? They're going to release water to the first layer of the crumble, and it's going to change totally its texture, okay? Different than it's going to happen with the top layer. Now, on top of the apples, we're going to add the crumbles. Do not press it, okay? In the first layer or in the second layer, do not press it at all, okay? And now we're going to put it, you can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon and sugar on top. That's really, really nice also. And we're going to put it in the oven for about 35-40 minutes, depending on your oven.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, You're crazy for saying
Isn't it so beautiful? The house smelled like heaven. I mean, if there is a heaven, and I know there is, this is one of the smells that you can, feel there. It's like, ah, it's really good. It's really, really good. So fast, easy, affordable, because on this channel, that's how we roll. Everything is easy and affordable, although it might look like $1 million. It wouldn't hurt, right? Now, you want to make it with bananas? You can. Not too ripe, not too green, okay? They have to be medium. Also, you can make it with mangoes, and you can make it with pears, but you cannot make them, I know you're asking yourselves or me mentally, pineapple can't, because pineapple has way too much water, so it's not gonna work. But I gave you options. So make it, and if you make it, tag me. As you can see, I have none left because it was so good. Sorry. So again, if you make it, tag me, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. See you. Bye.